Hey guys, how's it going? Michael Maven here today. So if you take a look on your screen today, I am going to be in the OpenAI playground and I'm going to be demonstrating one of the assistants that we've managed to build and show you exactly how it works, okay? Because I had a couple of questions after I did and uploaded a video last week, okay? So I'm just going to walk you through that. If you don't know me yet, my name is Michael Maven. I'm the founder of topgrowthexperts.com. We're a sales and revenue growth firm, and we've worked with clients all across the board now, from people like Neil Patel of NP Digital, whose marketing agency now is at $100 million a year, and even people like Ollie Richards, who's from StoryLearning.com. We've helped him most recently 2.6x his sales on one of his products and add millions of dollars in new sales to his business. You can see my business growth work in Forbes, Inc. and Fortune and lots of good places like that. And I've also written 2 business growth books, which you can find in all good bookstores. And we've probably added about $10 or $15 million of enterprise value for our clients so far, and counting. Now today I just want to do a quick demo of what one of these AI bots, these AI reactivation bots are and what they do. Okay, so you have to, this one is built for an insurance company, right? So you have to imagine that an insurance company has got lots of dead leads in a database which they don't call anymore, they don't speak to, and they just kind of sit there doing nothing. And this demonstration here today is going to show exactly how we help them to reactivate those leads and actually turn them back into warm prospects and actual sales as well, okay? So what I'm going to do to start this off, I'm going to run this current algorithm, okay? And this bot here is called Amelia, so she's called, when she interacts with customers, her name will be Amelia, okay? And so the very first message that I'm going to type is go. So the first SMS message, this is all going to be like via text message, but I'm just demonstrating it here on the computer, okay? But the very first message that's going to go out and that she will send out, okay, will be this message here, okay? It's Amelia from Top Growth Experts Insurance. That's just a company that we're making up right now for this insurance demonstration. And it will say, is this the same James who got a life insurance quote from us in the last couple of months, okay? And the customer will reply, I was going to make it difficult, but let's just go along with this for now, okay? They say yes. And she replies, thank goodness, my calendar just pinged me to call, but I didn't want to disturb you. Are you still looking for help? And I will say, a message from James, I'm not sure. Let's see what she says. No problem. Is there anything specific you'd like your policy to do or cover? I'd like it for my wife and kids. Let's just say that's what James replies back. And this is Amelia replying back, got it, making sure the family is taken care of. We can definitely help with that. And we'll beat any market price. Would you like to schedule a call back to discuss the best options for you? So you can see here the bot is actually just responding and talking to James as a real customer services support agent. Okay, so anything that he says, Amelia sort of like, this bot is trained, this chat GPT bot is trained to make sure that she doesn't keeps the conversation short, but warms him up and qualifies him for a call with the team. Okay, so let me just be a bit awkward. I'm not sure yet. And just see what Amelia says, okay? Totally understandable. How about this? Is there any particular concern or question you have about life insurance? Okay, so this is Amelia's sales training that she's gone through is literally the same sales training as a human operator. So she works like this, and these are all automated conversations, okay? And obviously we can adjust the timing in between to make sure that the SMSs go out to the customer so that it feels like they're talking to a real person, okay? So you can see the responses here, very natural, very well trained, and just totally on point, okay? And so this is what she's responding to James, who's having a couple of concerns, and so she's literally gone out and asked and said, have you got any questions about life insurance that I can help? I think the prices will be too much. Let's see what she says to that. I get it, budget is super important. Okay, now you've got to understand, Amelia hasn't been programmed with these specific responses. She's actually going back, doing the thinking, and trying to ease the customer, okay, due to the sales training that she has. So she said, I get it, budget is super important. We pride ourselves in beating market prices. Would talking to an advisor about flexible options and possible discounts ease your mind a bit, right? That's a great response, okay, to somebody who's a little bit unsure about prices, thinks that they could be paying too much, okay. Let's just say, can you help me fit to my budget? And see what she says. Absolutely, we can work within your budget. Would you like to schedule a call back with one of our advisors to go over the details and find the best fit for you? Okay, so that's exactly what she's doing. Is just kind of, you know, guiding James back towards a live agent, or to schedule a call back so that he becomes then a warm prospect back on the phone and talking to your team. So what Amelia's really doing is just sort of guiding James gently back towards a, you know, being a live prospect back in and talking to your sales team, so he can become an actual customer with you. Okay, let's chuck in a spanner here. Hold on, where did you get my number? You made an inquiry via our website. If you no longer wish to speak with us, reply with the word delete. Okay, so these are all leads that you know you're warm. Okay, they were once inquiries with you, but now they've all gone quiet. They've all become lost leads. Okay, what is the website? Our website is topgrowthexperts.com. Can I help you with anything else? Okay, that's fine. No problem. How much is the quote going to be? So Amelia's responded back and saying, I'm in admin and don't have the exact numbers. The best thing would be to speak to an advisor who can give you precise quotes and options. Would you like to schedule a call back? Oops. Okay, sure. And then she'll respond back and say, great, here's my calendar for you to book in a time, and then there's a calendar link there. Okay, so that's pretty much just a quick demonstration of how this AI Leadsbot can just talk literally to people that who've gone quiet in your database, and they really have, you know, you're not going to do anything with them anymore. There's no way you're going to reach out to them, or they're just going to sit there. And instead of doing that, let our Leadsbot onto them. Okay, you can start very small and show you just a quick demo of how it works, and you do a short test, and you'll see exactly how your cold or lost leads are turning into sales. Okay, so I hope that was useful in learning to see how this AI Leadsbot works for your business. Okay, if you're interested in using it, give us a shout on AIbot@topgrowthexperts.com, or you can also see the email address here in the description, which I'll put in below this video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.